Are you tired of struggling with traditional whiteboards that are difficult to erase, leave bubbles, and damage the wall surface? Look no further than Wallizard White Board. Our whiteboard features dot-shape microsection adhesion technology that makes it easy to paste and reposition on a variety of surfaces, including walls, wood, and glass. It's also residue-free, bubble-free, and won't harm your walls. But that's not all. Our whiteboard is easy to remove and repositionable, so you can paste and repaste repeatedly. And when you're ready to start over, our whiteboard is easy to erase and write on again and again. It's also easy to carry with you wherever you go. Now let's compare Wallizard Whiteboard to common whiteboards. Common whiteboards are difficult to erase, leaving bubbles and residue, and causing damage to the wall surface. They're frustrating to use and often end up getting destroyed. But with Wallizard White Board, you never have to worry about any of those problems. Our whiteboard is easy to erase, bubble-free, 100% residue-free, and won't hurt your walls. Plus, it's made with high-quality materials, so you can be sure it will last. With its wide range of applications and superior quality, Wallizard White Board is the perfect solution for classrooms, offices, and homes. Try it today and experience the convenience and ease of use for yourself.